Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're finding the derivative of the function f of x is equal to x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus the square root of x all over x squared. We're going to do this using the quotient rule and by simplifying first. And before we do that, let's just rewrite this as all this, everything the same, but turn the square root of x into x to the 1/2. It's going to make it a little bit easier to find the derivative. But firstly, we can use the quotient rule, in which we have the derivative of x is equal to the denominator times the derivative of the numerator, writing that out right there, minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all over the denominator squared. Now we can simplify this. Let's make a little bit more room. First of all, we have x squared times the derivative of this. We have a couple of power functions here. So you take down the exponent and subtract 1 for the new exponent, always putting your coefficients like -5 here out front, times that, bring this down by 1, plus 1/2 x, subtract 1 would be 1/2 minus 1, which is -1/2. This is going to be minus all of this, x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus x to the 1/2 times the derivative of x squared, again, power function, bring down the exponent, subtract 1 for your new variable. This is all over x squared, which is x to the fourth. And this is going to be, distributing all these things out, we have 4x to the fifth minus 15x to the fourth plus 1/2 x to the 2 minus 1/2 is x to the 3/2 minus 2x to the fifth plus 10x to the third minus 2x to the 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. This is all going to be over x to the fourth, which is going to simplify to 4x to the fifth minus 2x to the fifth is 2x to the fifth minus 15x to the fourth plus 10x cubed minus 3/2 x to the 3/2. Combining like terms there, all over x to the fourth, which is going to simplify out to 2 using the quotient rule, not for derivatives, but for exponents. We say this is going to be x to the fifth minus 4, so just x, minus 15, x to the 4 minus 4 is x to the 0, which is just 1, so there's no x term, plus 10 x to the -1, minus 3/2, x to the 3/2 minus 4 is -5/2. So that is using the quotient rule. Now we want to do it by simplifying. If we do that, the way we're going to do that is by dividing each of these terms by x squared. So this is another reason why we put it into 1/2, because then we can use the quotient rule for exponents. But anyways, we're going to have x to the fourth over x squared is going to be x squared minus 5 times x cubed over x squared is x plus x to the 1/2 over 2 is plus x to the -3/2. Again, subtracting the exponents. Going from here, you can take the derivative, which is going to be 2x minus 5 minus 3/2 x to the -5/2. And the reason that these are not the same is because -5x cubed times -1 is going to be positive 5x cubed times 2x is 10x to the fourth, not 10x cubed. Sorry about the confusion, because then when you have 10x to the fourth divided by x to the fourth, again, using the quotient rule, we have 4 minus 4 is 0. So therefore there is no x to the -1 term. That's just another constant. So this is negative 15 plus 10, which, if we can write this out right here, we get 2x minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5, minus 3 halves, x to the negative 5 halves. Oh. And now these are the same. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.